We know as an industry, we are an emitter of carbon.
If you're in any industry and you're not thinking about climate change, I don't know what you're thinking about.
Our mission is to be net zero by 2040.
We found partners to put that plan in motion, and that's what we're doing today.
Collectively, we can get a lot further than if we continue by ourselves down this path.
We take carbon dioxide, put it into concrete. It's a permanent removal of carbon.
Our goal is to put 100,000 electric vans on the road by 2030.
This is sustainable aviation fuel. This is the future.
As practical farmers, we stand up businesses and farms that are going to be resilient.
We need to invest in nature, reforest areas while providing food to all of us.
Saya harus bersama-sama.
It's time for companies to do their part.
No one else is going to magically make this happen. It's on us.